Heather, as of about 2 minutes ago, these businesses, they were forced to close their doors for the next 30 days. We're talking about your bars, the gyms, the water parks, the theaters, and yeah, even tubing on the rivers. We have been getting some calls and emails into our newsroom about what is not included. Casinos, salons, the barbershops, the nail salons, all of those businesses can remain open. We do have live team coverage for you tonight on how this executive order will be impacting the gyms and the bars, plus the governor's plan for students heading back to school.
But first, we want to start with Morgan Lowe, who explains the pressure that Governor Ducey's been under to do something more than just encourage people to wear masks.
Crowded bars, crowded waterways, crowded events. We've seen them play out across the state, despite public health leaders pleading with people to keep their distances and keep their faces covered.
Our numbers continue to increase in Arizona. They're going in the wrong direction.
Today, Governor Doug Ducey took action. He ordered the temporary closure of bars, gyms, and other places where crowds of young adults have been gathering, an age group that has seen a dramatic rise in COVID infections. He also shuttered public events with more than 50 people, unless they're physically distanced.
We are going to do what is necessary, and I mean whatever is necessary, to protect the lives and livelihoods of Arizonans.
But some of this, say many health experts, could have been avoided if the governor would have made mask wearing in public mandatory or allowed cities and counties to do so sooner. And that is what we asked about during today's news conference.
Why it was that you prevented cities and towns and counties from enacting their own mask requirements. What was the goal with that decision?
So the goal wasn't around preventing masks. I mean, I think I've been talking about masks since sometime in April. The objective was more around safely and successfully reopening businesses.
And I apologize for putting you on the spot, but Dr. Chris, did you lobby your boss here to require or to allow mayors and county supervisors to require people in their communities to wear masks earlier on?
So we've been advocating for mask use since April. We know that the data showed that it decreased transmission to other people.
I just don't understand why it was that when you open back up, that you didn't say you can open back up, but you have to wear masks, or we're going to allow mayors, county supervisors to say you have to wear a mask.
And just to clarify, Dr. Christ doesn't lobby me. She informs me on public health, and masks are a good idea.
I'm Morgan Lowe for Arizona's Family.